want to lay down the foundation, and then he will come right on up before us. All right. When you plug or unplug a device into a wall outlet, you're completing an electrical circuit, allowing current to flow. So there is power right here. Mighty working power. Here is the power. That when I unplug this here, this, the light goes off.
Yes.
No.
So there is power and current. And you see, look, plugging it right back up brings me more power. So there is mighty working power in this current electrical plug.